Hi everyone, we're here today to make this cute looking little Baby Yoda finger puppet that can go on all kinds of adventures with you. So in your craft kit, you should have got these 4 items, 2 pieces of felt, a rubber band, and some googly eyes. Now we are gonna start with the green piece, so I'll put everything off to the side, and then you're gonna turn it so it looks like a diamond shape when it's facing you. And then I want you to just grab this corner and slowly kind of fold it in on itself until you get to about the halfway point. And then you're going to turn it around and do the same thing from the other side. So make sure to keep one hand up here so this doesn't unroll itself, and then just kind of grab the bottom and we're gonna fold it over and roll it up so that they meet kind of here in the middle and they look sort of even. And then we'll go ahead and fold them in together, almost like you've got a hot dog bun out of your felt here. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and find the middle point. You can put your finger there and just kind of wrap it around your finger. What we're looking for is make a nice round looking head shape for Baby Yoda here. And then once we've done that, we'll go ahead and grab our rubber band and put it here around the back of the head. And then we can just wrap it a couple times around. And then there's our Baby Yoda head. And if you want to go ahead and scrunch it and push it and make sure it looks how you want it to, you can. Make sure it looks, kind of even, not too wobbly. And then these back here are going to be the Baby Yoda ears. And so you can go ahead and take them and sort of fold them around if you want and make them really large looking, or just kind of squeeze them in together like that. And then what you want to do is get a little bit of glue behind the head to put the ears together. So you can use Elmer's glue if you want, but that's going to it's going to be a little bit harder to get it to stick, and you'll have to hold it for a while or dry it with something. So I'm going to go ahead and use some hot glue. Looks like this. You can, if you don't have one, they sell them at most craft stores or craft aisles, and I think even some dollar stores will have them for maybe $2 or $3. So shouldn't cost much more than your standard school glue. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little piece just behind, behind the ears, right in front of the rubber bands, and we'll just kind of glue the ears together there. And you can, if you want to, shape them and make them look wrinkly, you can have them look however you want. And then the other side, the same thing, just right here next to the rubber band. I'll wrinkle the ears a little bit, glue those together and push on them. And there we go. Now we have a nice looking cute Baby Yoda head. So we'll put that off to the side, and we'll bring over our next piece of felt, this brown piece. And for this, go ahead and fold it in half, like so. But then you're gonna tug it down just a little bit so that there's an edge, maybe about an inch or so, that you can fold over. And this is going to be Baby Yoda's body. And I want to bring it down just a little bit further. Fold that over. All right, I think that looks nice. And then we're gonna flip that on the other side and flatten it down a bit. And then on this side, we're gonna fold it into thirds. So right there and right there. Okay, and then this is going to be the Baby Yoda body, little finger puppet section. So now we're gonna do the same thing with our glue gun, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glue just down along the side so that I can glue that together. And then this little corner, you know, it might flap up, so you can, if you want to, put a little bit just under that corner to keep it down and together. Just want it to be nice and secure. And then you can pick it up and kind of make sure it looks round, right? And then we'll have this in the back and this in the front, and just kind of make it a good fit for your finger. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the Baby Yoda head on top. So it looks like we've got a Baby Yoda all wrapped up. So for that, we'll go ahead and just put a nice bit of glue all around here, right? And then go ahead and secure the head and the ears right on top. Push it down, just let the glue dry for a little bit. And now we've got a little Baby Yoda puppet, but we need some eyes. And so we'll go ahead and we'll just put 2 quick little dabs right here in the front. And we'll get those little googly eyes on top, like so. And if there's a little bit of glue, hot glue, you can just kind of grab those strings and pull them off. And now we've got our cute little Baby Yoda puppet who's ready to start learning how to use the Force. So there you go, there is your Baby Yoda puppet, and if I can do it, so can you. If you'd like to further explore the universe of Star Wars, come in and check out our display, which has books, comics, and movies. Or you can download some right now from Hoopla, which has over 60 books and comics set in the Star Wars universe.